Okay, hi everyone. What we're going to be doing today is driven keys, alright, where you can affect the movement of one object by moving another. Alright, so you can see here I've got my two eyeballs, okay, where the left is controlled by the right, and over here where I've got my driving, where I've got my wheels of a car. Okay, my wheels are being controlled by the steering wheel. Alright, very simple, but you just have to be very careful and organized when you do it. Alright, so if I go to Window Outliner, alright, you'll be able to see how I've set these up to look at. Alright, my eyes, eye left, eye right, and same with the car. Alright, so that'll just help you when it comes time to animate all of this. Alright, so of course we're working in animation, so just make sure that up here in Maya you're working in the animation section. Okay, very simple. I've got my right eye selected. That's the one I want to be the driver. So that's what I was doing wrong. Eye right. No. All right. Now, very simple. Let's go up to animate, and let's go down to set driven key. Set driven key and set. All right, there we go. And we've got eye right. Okay, we want that to be the driver. So let's go down and hit load driver. All right, now you can see it as the driver, which means that our eye left will become our driven. So let's press on load driven. Okay, important you get your English right there. So there we go. Driven will be the left, and the driver will be the eye right. Okay, first we've got to select, make sure we've got our driver selected first. There we go. Now, it's going to be up over here on the right hand side. We're going to be doing our transitions over here. Alright, so we'll just do the y-axis first. So I need to eye right, then click. Okay, we're going to do rotate Y first. Select on rotate Y, and rotate Y, go 90, and hit return. Very easy. Okay, now let's go down to, we need to click on eye left. Now go to rotate Y and do exactly the same. Rotate Y 90, hit return, and then we press down here the key button. Okay, bang. Alright, nothing happens, but you'll notice up over here now it's kind of turned into a salmon color. Alright, so that's the one way. Now we need it to go the other direction, so let's go and click on eye right. Okay, that's important. Let's go to click on rotate Y, let's go up here, and we're going the other way, so that will become minus 90 and hit return. All right. Now we need to go to I left, select I left. There we go. Click on rotate Y. Up here, go minus 90, hit return, and key. Alright, there we go. So now you'll see that my eyes are facing the other way. So that means now if I select here, you can see that it's only been affected going on the X axis. If I try to go up, it's not going to happen. Alright, so what I need to do, okay, make sure that those rotate. Let's just hit that back down to 0. Okay, I need to now do the X axis. Alright, exactly the same. Animate, set driven key, set. Alright, oops. Wrong one. Alright, so that becomes our driver. Select on our driven, load driven. Alright, now back to the driver, rotate X. Alright, go up to here, 90, return. Alright, now we select on our I left, rotate X, and hit return. There we go. Happy, and we key. Okay, again, do the same thing as before. We go to the negatives. I right, rotate X, minus 90, hit return. Alright, hit I left. Alright, you'll notice that I've got it selected again. Hit rotate X and go minus 90. There we go. And hit the key. Alright, and now we close. Now, yep, it's working. We've got the two axes. Okay, we could put the other one in if we want, but we'll just do it for there. Alright, so that's just doing it once. Now the wheels, exactly the same, but we're doing different things. What we want to be doing here is we want to be rotating the the Z axis here, and we want to be adjusting the Y axis, on our wheels. Alright, so similar process. What we can do here, okay, I'll select here. Alright, animate, set driven key and set. Alright, load driver. Now we've got 4 wheels. Let's go to our car and let's select them all. Alright, I've selected all my 4 wheels, and now load driven. There we go. Alright, so these should all be affected. Now, car wheel. Alright, which one was it? That was my rotate Z. Right, car wheel, rotate Z. So rotate Z, this will be 90. and now I want here, I select all of them, and I want these to be my rotate Y and my rotate Y. Okay, will be 90. All right, and I will key. All right, there we go. Same again, rotate wheel, rotate Z. Rotate Z now becomes minus 90. And my wheels, select all of them, rotate Y, now becomes minus 90. All right, there we go, and key, and close, and there we have it. All right, so just by rotating the z-axis of one object, rotate the y of another. Very simple, but you just must be careful with how you do it. That's it. All right, thanks.